Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about how you can use Textbot and use an unlimited website all-in-one system that will help you market any business that you want. You don't have to do just Textbot, and you can have unlimited websites, landing pages, opt-in pages, email marketing, autoresponders, drip campaigns, whatever you want. Let's get started. All right, so right here I just made this page and it's called daily100.now.site, and it will allow you to learn a little bit more about Textbot if you'd like to learn about SMS marketing and keyword videos. So right here I want to show you how simple and easy it is to create an opt-in page and also make additional pages so that people can learn more about this product and how will it work, what will I need, and what does it take. So here I just created a cute little landing page, making it simple and easy for people to opt in. Right here, you can also go ahead and play the video.
Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about Textbot. This is absolutely an amazing system that allows you to share anything that you're trying to sell or promote with your business. So one of the things maybe be an ebook, a website, a blog, maybe products, maybe JVZoo, maybe ClickBank. It just depends what you're trying to do on the web, and I'd love to show you how a simple keyword and a phone number will allow you to keep track of that and get leads and sales to your business. So if you're looking for something like that, stay right here and let's watch the next video.
All right, a few changes have happened in the...
All right, so you can see that I did go ahead and create this video, and it allows you to add it right in here, do the name, phone, and email, and then let me in. So once I let you in, I'll go ahead and show you what that page would look like. All right, so once you opt into that page, it'll go ahead and bring you into this information, talk a little bit more about texting and SMS marketing. So right here, you can learn about Textbot software and 𝗵𝗶+, which is an automated virtual assistant. Right here, you can go to daily100.now.site. That's probably where you started to bring you into this information. It's 6 simple steps and you get paid $100 over and over. And now they just increased it from $500 to $750. So come learn a little bit more about the changes and updates. Go ahead and call the phone number 386-518-0202. Listen to the automated message, pay and set up your system, get your phone number, share your number, and get 100% peer-to-peer commissions. Super simple and easy. Come learn about the buzz about SMS platform called Textbot. You can call right now and learn more. I'll show you more. And here's all the different ways that you can get paid. Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, PayPal, Coinbase, Stripe, Zelle, and Apple Cash. So I have recorded quite a few videos. Of course, those need to be updated now because the product has changed. But here's how you can promote. You can share the number. So mine is 386-518-0202. Solo ads, money drop cards. You can get some free ones here. Social media and use the phone number so you're never blocked. You can have blogs, classifieds, create graphics, and use postcards. Right now, I have a way for you to do unlimited postcards and just pay for the postage, and also has an affiliate program behind it, which will give you 40% payout. So if you're looking to create your own postcards, I'd love to show you how to do that. Otherwise, go ahead and learn how to get leads with direct mail. Now you can get additional information down below. This is what it'll look like when you do get a sale. It says you got money headed your way. This one is Cash App. I absolutely love Cash App. There's no additional fees. You get paid directly. That's an immediate $100 and $500 and now $750. Learn how to get paid and get started. Right here, you can start with Nowsite and make simple, easy pages like this. It has your picture, your information, your social media, and these are clickable, go directly to there. So that will allow you to go ahead and show this information and be ready for others to learn a little bit more about the program you're sharing. So now I just wanted to jump over to Nowsite, just give you a little bit more information and how you can create unlimited pages just like these. All right, so I just logged into Nowsite Marketing, and this gives you unlimited all marketing systems. So this has everything from websites, landing pages, opt-in pages, SMS marketing. It has autoresponders. It has social marketing. It has SMS marketing itself. And what I'm loving most about the SMS marketing is it does have a drip system. So if you want those to go out just like an email, it'll now go out just like it'll do the texting just like an email. So this will allow you to do multiple options. Here you can use Textbot to go ahead and start getting started getting paid instantly, and then also use SMS drip systems with Nowsite. So here I can just show you how easy these pages are. You can alter and change everything in here. This is the button that it's going to go to, and I just added the video. So all you have to do is jump over to your video, grab and copy the embedded video information, go back to your website. All you have to do is click on it and add that code and hit OK. So you can change and alter this at any time frame. So now that this has changed a little bit, I need to do a new video, but this one does still work for the main part of Textbot. Here you can go ahead and alter and change anything that is required. And what's super awesome is that we do have full training on this program that gives you great ideas and see other pages. What right now you can do with Nowsite is when you collect that phone number, you can make it go to an SMS drip campaign, just like that email marketing. So it's very important to add that in here. It also allows you to change and alter from the trainings I'm learning. I'll be changing this page to go to the next page. You also have to confirm before getting forward to learn more. So great way to learn more about using simple websites like this. And right now I do have it redirecting, but over here on the far left hand side, I can alter and change that to a phone number. So say I want you to call Textbot and get started. I want you to email or download a PDF to get started, or no action. So right now I do have it going to another website that will allow you to learn more, and that's the one I just showed you. So this is a great opportunity to use a website like this that makes quick and fast pages and also pays you to do your marketing. If you're looking for a way to create those landing pages, use SMS marketing, drip campaigns, autoresponders, blogs, websites, use your videos, however you want, come learn more, and I'd be more than happy to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Appreciate your time, and bye for now.